It's freezing up in Jersey. But I'm switching gears for a moment. Let's zoom all the way out. We're closing out a snake year and heading straight into a horse year. And that shift is not fucking subtle. I'm pretty sure y'all have noticed the chaos in my life, and I'm pretty sure you all have your own chaotic journey right now. The snake year, this entire year was shedding whether people liked it or not. Illusions peeled back, false identities cracked, dead relationships fell off, stagnant patterns got exposed, and every fake alignment got burned to ash. Snakes don't move fast. They observe, they sense, they shed. 2025 forced the collective to sit in stillness and feel what's rotten. People try to avoid themselves, but guess what? The snake doesn't run. It makes you sit with your skin until it's ready to fucking peel. This year wasn't about progress. It was about purging. It wasn't inactivity. It was incubation. It wasn't punishment. It was fucking preparation. Neptune retrograde had the fucking chokehold. Neptune dragged everyone's illusions back to the surface. Collective denial, spiritual bypassing, fake identities, old coping habits, masks people use to survive. Neptune basically hit the pause button on progress, so people were forced to face the stuff they've avoided for fucking years. Stuck? No. Stabilizing, rewriting, and purifying. Now, Neptune goes direct tomorrow. So watch what happens when the fog finally fully clears. Clarity activates in the collective. Delusion collapses. Motivation returns. Purpose realigns. The path forward unlocks. This is the initiation point into the next era, the horse year. 2026 is all about forward fucking movement. 2025 equaled a crawl. 2026 equals the fucking gallop. The snake sheds, the horse runs. Collectively, that means acceleration, action, movement, progress, visible change, rapid momentum. Where people were frozen, they move. Where ideas were stalled, they finally activate. Where purpose felt foggy, it's starting to get fucking loud. This shift is static to momentum, stagnant to expansion, pause to fucking pursuit. 2026 is go fucking mode. So the end of December collective theme, right now we're in the transition corridor, the final integration window, the do you want this new timeline or not doorway. Collectively expect irritability, purging, random endings, people falling the fuck off. Good, c'est la vie, bye. Old stories collapsing and sudden clarity. The universe is clearing the track for the fucking horse. Collective rally. This era ends with shedding. The next one begins with fucking motion. 2025 stripped the identity. 2026 activates the fucking destiny. Snake year made the collective face itself. Horse year makes the collective chase itself. The past year forced everyone to let go. The next year forces everyone to level the fuck up. We aren't crawling into 2026. We're fucking galloping in. You ready? Let's go.